Hi everybody, this is Rochelle Peters from Treasured Gifts LLC, and I am so excited to share with you that I just got my order of Tula Pink's new Roar fabric. I'm so excited. I wanted to open it from the box with you. I haven't even looked yet, although I can't wait. So let's take a look and see what we've got. 21 new bolts. Let's see. Okay, we've got, oh gosh, Wing It, the Mist Color Collection. And we've got her dinosaur eggs, I think these are called. Dinosaur eggs, this is the brush color. Ooh, and some beautiful fills. This one is called Northern Lights, and this is the mint colorway. And then there's another Northern Lights in here. Got so many boxes around here. Let's see, pop, pop, pop. Northern Lights and the blush colorway. What else have we got? We've got our beautiful border print called Trifecta, and this is the mist color. Isn't that just beautiful? Look at that. Woohoo! All right, keep going. Got lots to look at. Okay, another border one. And this is Trifecta Blush. Let me see if I can get you a good picture of that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. This one is the Gift Wrapped. She's got great names. This is the lime color. Let's see if I can get you a good shot. You can kind of see it, the raptor over here. I cannot wait to break into this and make all kinds of beautiful projects. This one is Meteor Showers. So this one is a border print and has the meteor showers in the center, and then the border print up on top repeats again. So you can fussy cut the border print, and you can also just use this as a filler or in some other way, some accent piece. And that's just going to be stunning. Okay, we've got another raptor, and this is in the blush colorway. Let me see if I can show you. Got the raptor right in here in the blush colorway. And then, oh, I just love this color. Let me get this out of here. This is the raptor in the mint colorway. So here, you can see it really good right there. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, let's see. Scoochies over. We got more, we've got more. Okay, oh, some great background and filler. These will go with, especially the ones like this, will go with all her color, her collections. This is Stargazer Mint. Absolutely beautiful. Look at all those great colors in there. Talk about mix and match. I love how you can go from one collection to another with Tula. Stargazer Storm. Very pretty. Oh, we got more dinosaur eggs. These eggs, by the way, are about 2 1/4, 2.5 inches wide, just so you know. They're nice and big. This is the mist colorway. And then another dinosaur egg in the mint. Beautiful. And then this one cracks me up. This is called the Tree Rex Blush colorway. I mean, like, come on. How cute is that? Absolutely adorable. Okay, let's keep going. Much to see. Another T-Rex, and this is the Mist colorway. Oh, I can see all kinds of bags on this, a jacket, all kinds of stuff. And this is just beautiful background. This is called Wild Vine Mist. You don't even have to do the dinosaurs with this. This is just stunning. Okay, the next one, again, the Wild Vine, and this is in the blush colorway. And I'm going to be putting together on my site, I'm going to have them up on my site at treasuredgiftsllc.com. And I'm going to be putting together bundle packages as well for fat quarters, yardage bundles, things like that. So you can get the whole collection all at once if you want it. And we've got another dinosaur egg in the storm colorway. That is just, I love that. It's like, I don't know if it comes across on the camera. It's not a real true black. It's almost more of a chocolate black, kind of a gray black. So it's very appealing. And then the other border print, and this is in the storm colorway. So again, having the border along the bottom, and then the center part, and then the border along the top. So you can fussy cut. You could turn it right directly into a blanket ready to go without having to cut anything. So, all right, and the last one is what we started off with in the different colorway. This is Wing It in the blush colorway. So let me see if I can get you a decent, oh, there it is. Do you see? You see the bird right there? All right. So that is it. Look at all of these. Oh my goodness, you guys. I've got 21 absolutely stunning bolts here. Beautiful. I know I'm going to have fun. Watch for these on my site, treasuredgiftsllc.com. And I just cannot wait to see what you do with them. Have fun. Thanks, guys.